Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Instagram not showing Instagram highlight views on my story. So let's get started. The first thing you wanna do is go to the Play Store and you're going to type Instagram. So next to Instagram, it's either say open or update. If it says open, that means your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you are in need of an update. So go ahead and update your app. The reason we do this is because new updates get rid of past bugs and lags in the app. Next thing is switch off from Wi-Fi to mobile data. So let's go to settings, turn off the Wi-Fi, and go to mobile data. The reason we switch to mobile data from Wi-Fi is because most of the time, cellular data is faster than Wi-Fi connection. Now, switching to mobile data didn't work. We're going to go ahead and check for an update. What we're going to do is offload the app. So, let's go to settings, then go to apps. After that, go to manage apps, then we're going to search Instagram. Go to storage, and on the lower part, clear data, and then clear cache. What this does is sort of resetting it. You can also uninstall and reinstall, and you have successfully offloaded the app. Now, if this doesn't still work, I suggest reporting this problem to Instagram. So we're going to Instagram. Once you're Instagram, you're going to click on the bottom right corner where your profile picture is. Then from here, we're going to click on the upper right hand corner where those three lines are. Click settings. And then from here, you're going to go down to the bottom and click help. Report a problem. And let's try to press this one. And I'm going to say Instagram not showing highlight views in my story. So just go next and send report. And you have successfully reported the problem. So I hope this video helps you. And if you have any questions and concerns about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. And thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.